Greetings to all, welcome to Alpha Palliative Care Daily News. Alpha Palliative Care's Kodungalur Center hosted a seminar and a discussion session as part of the organization's 20th anniversary celebrations. The event, titled Dignity in Life and at the End of Life, was inaugurated by Kayapmangalam MLA, E.T. Tyson Master. Center President K.A. Khadijabi presided over the function. Alpha Chairman K.M. Noordin delivered the introductory speech and honored Hamsa Kondampulli, who sponsored the construction of the Kodungalur Hospice. The event's chief guest was K.P. Rajan, President of Eriyad Panchayat. Following this, Alpha Medical Director Dr. Jose led the seminar. Secretary E.V. Rameshan gave the welcome address, and Treasurer C.S. Thillakan delivered the vote of thanks. The morning discussion session was initiated with a speech by Community Director Suresh Sridharan. The Alpha Kuttanad Link Center has launched a new initiative, Crafted with Courage, as part of its Onam celebration for 2025. The program, inaugurated by Chief Patron Dr. Mathulla Givarghese at the Passion Hotel in Edthua, aims to improve the lives of those under Alpha's care and promote an eco-friendly lifestyle. The project combines rehabilitation with livelihood, focusing on patients receiving physiotherapy and their caregivers. Participants will create products using eco-friendly materials like coconut shells, scrap wood, and natural fibers. The ceremony was presided over by Alpha Governing Council member Chandramohan Nair, with speeches by Secretary M. G. Kochumon and Working President Anil Vettalakandam. The event also featured cultural programs and an Onam feast. Alpha Kollam Center celebrated Onam and inaugurated its newly renovated physiotherapy center. Navshad Yunus, chairman of Yunus College of Engineering, inaugurated the new facility, which is equipped with modern physiotherapy equipment. Kollam Center President Advocate Santosh Thangal presided over the function. Former Rotary Assistant Gunner Salim Narayanan officially inaugurated the Onam festivities. Speeches were given by Secretary Bindu Sajan, R. Prakashan Pillai, Dr. Ashraf Shah, Rotarian Surbhanu, Platinum Executive Member Priyanka, Advocate Shine Dev, Alpha Vice President Shahjahan Ilam, PRO Shibu Rawuthar, Joint Secretary Siddharthan, and Treasurer Sridevi. The Onam feast was sponsored by Terry Verse Company in Dubai. The event concluded with various cultural performances. The Alpha Vellangalur Center celebrated Onam with great enthusiasm. The festivities were inaugurated by Varsha Praveen, ward member of Vellangalur Grama Panchayat. A highlight of the celebration was the active participation of physiotherapy patients, volunteers, committee members, and staff. The event was led by Center President Sakir Hussain, Acting President Shafir Karumatra, Secretary Meherban Shahab, Vice President Professor Varghese, PRO Shukur, and Aziz PSK. This concludes the news. J.